guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Peculiar, and if this is the first time you're seeing me, you're highly welcome. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look using Kinky. So all you need is your 1 full pack of Kinky and a crochet pin. Okay, this was how I prepared the hair, and I initially did not want to use black for this hair. I wanted to use gold, and this gold is in color 27, and I basically wanted the ends of the gold to be brown, to be like golden. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. I wanted the ends of the hair to be golden color, and I wanted the root to be black, and that's because I want the root to basically blend with my hair. Now I knew that for this hair I was going to be having a leave out, like 4 sides of leave out, or yeah, 4 sides basically. My front hairs, like I'll be leaving them out. The sides of my ear, I knew I would be leaving them out. The sides of my other ear, and then the back of my hair, and then some part in my hair, like kind of like a side part. I knew I was going to be having a leave out, and my hair is black. So I'm like, okay, I need to color this to turn it to be black, so that if I have a leave out, it will blend with my hair. I don't know if that makes any sense. Yes, I tried my best, you guys. That was why I actually used a shampoo dye for this thing. So I wish I knew that shampoo dye wouldn't hold it properly, because it did not work. And I tried my best, you guys. I was basically blending, and I left it for a while, and then it was gradually changing to this color. And then I was like, okay, maybe we should wait for this thing. And then I left it again for like another time, and it changed to this color you're seeing. And I'm like, okay, this might actually give me what I want. And I went to buy another shampoo dye to make that thing very dark. I don't know if you guys are following my illustration, but it didn't work. As soon as I dipped this hair in water just to rinse off this shampoo dye, I don't know if this hair was not expecting me to rinse it off. Like, am I supposed to just carry like a straight dye and just use it to start braiding my hair? Obviously I was supposed to rinse it out. Immediately I dipped this thing in water, everything, without even washing. I didn't wash, I just dipped it in water. Every single dye went off, and I was more than devastated. I'm not even going to lie. So I had to get another Kinky, which was in black. So I used black to achieve this color. I had to get black, and then this was how, if you saw the beginning of the video, that was how I basically prepared my hair. And yeah, nothing really serious, but then I just left like 5 leave out, side parts, front parting, that's the whole of my front line hair. Then my ear parts, the whole of my ear lines, I left those angles, just because I wanted to get the leave out. And I decided to just add like a little bit of gold to it, so the hair won't be all black, if you get it. So there's no serious thing about this crochet. All I did was basically I was basically trying my hands on different types of crochet, seeing which would hold properly, because I thought I was going to comb this hair, but I didn't comb it. I basically just used my hand. So you can try any type of crochet, the 2-side crochet and everything. If that works for you, absolutely fine. Okay, so just do any type of crochet, but basically do something that would hold, just to avoid the hair pulling out of your hair at the time when you're detangling and all of that. So yeah, that's basically it. And I went ahead to spray my leave out to properly blend my hair, which it did blend my hair, and I was happy. I loved it. The outcome is good. The only problem with this hair was that it does not hold products. Yes, you know how those natural hair, you get them and then you apply some hair mousse, you apply some water, and then it's not a natural hair, it's synthetic wig. So I don't know what I was expecting from this hair, but my expectations were so high and I was greatly disappointed. Anyways, the hair lasted, I'm not even going to lie. And another mistake I made was even applying this hair mousse, because bro, it didn't become so stiff, but I felt like this hair mousse shouldn't have added it. Like it made it worse, like made it stiff and all of that. Like I wanted it to be effortlessly smooth, but it was not smooth. Again, it's kinky. Okay, so that's just the only issue with this hair. It's not so nose free. Even after applying water, after applying your conditioner, it doesn't come off free. So the only style I was able to do this was an afro. To properly enjoy this hair was an afro, and basically packing it up high, center parting, just doing something like a bun. Yes, that was like the basic hairstyle I was just doing, and I kind of like achieved my goal because people kept asking me, "Oh, your hair is so fine. Your hair is so long. How did you do it?" Because that was what I was actually doing. But like I wanted something that makes my hair appear so long. Okay, and this is the final look of it. It doesn't look so bad. It doesn't look bad at all. I think I like it. I love 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 the color. I love how the gold just shows the bits inside. And that is all for this video. I'm just going to leave you guys to enjoy it. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. If you haven't subscribed up until this point, please subscribe. Okay, like, share, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Will you be trying this? Okay, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye for now.